Today we started on a panel exchange of taking out the old Siemens panel and putting in a new plug-on neutral Siemens panel. The first thing I liked about it was how easy it was to install everything and how everything fit perfectly, exactly like the old panel, except for not all the neutral wires. Well, using the new plug-on breakers, they're very easy to install. They work just like a normal thermal breaker. The plug-on breaker is a lot faster to actually install. You can actually go in order and hook up everything properly from ground, neutral to hots. As you can see, it keeps the panel a lot nicer and cleaner, so it's easier to work. The new design that I like about the AFCI breakers that they have, it only takes one wire going under one screw. And the neutral actually goes to the neutral bus. It's kind of hard to mess it up. Instead of now when you have to use some of the other, art fault breakers, you kind of have to make sure everything's in the right place. And with this design, you cannot go wrong really. This float center is actually a lot easier to install. Most of the connections are higher, which most buildings have feeds that come from the top. There's no difference in the hand room you have working around the breakers. So you're not losing anything compared to some of the competitors. This panel, I think, will be a big plus for the market. You don't have to worry about the panel space. You still have plenty of room to maneuver in the panel. Plus, it saves a ton of time not having to worry about pigtail wires. Very user-friendly. It probably saved me, I'll say, at least an hour or hour and a half plus on the installation of this style panel. Not only that, it's easy to teach.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.